Welcome, here I've got Vivo Y33s and let me show you how to turn on and off camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit and focus on photo category. Here we can find watermark option, so let's pick it. Here we are. We get access to 3 types of watermarks here. Now let me focus on the second one, model watermark. By using button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. So let me keep it turned on and let's move back to camera to see how it looks like at the real picture. So let me take a photo. Now we have to move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture with watermark in left corner at the bottom. We can get closer here also to it. So we have Vivo Y33s watermark, device 1. And of course when we don't need it, we have to move back to camera, right corner settings, slide down, tap to watermark and turn it off here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.